Welcome to infyGyan friends. In this video, we'll be solving one very interesting exponential equation for real values of x. So let's get started with one exponential law, a power b minus c. We can write a power b over a power c. So I can write our LHS as 2 power 2x over square root 2 plus square root 2 over 2 power x minus square root 2 equal to 1. Let's multiply our equation with square root 2. So I can get 2 power 2x plus 2 over 2 power x minus 2 equal to square root 2. Now I will take minus 2 to the RHS and here I will apply property from exponents a power bc equal to a power c whole power b. So I can write 2 power x whole square plus 2 over 2 power x equal to 2 plus square root 2. Now let us assume 2 power x equal to m. For real x, m must be positive. So I can write our equation as m square plus 2 over m equal to 2 plus root 2. M square plus 2 over m equal to 2 plus square root 2. Let's multiply both sides with m as m is non-zero. So I will get m cube plus 2 equal to 2 plus square root 2 times m, or we can write m cube minus 2 plus square root 2 times m plus 2 equal to 0. Now I will assume square root 2 as a. So 2 will be equal to a square. So I can write our equation m cube minus a square plus a times m plus a square equal to 0. Now I will frame quadratic in a. So my target is to collect a square, a and constant term. So let us write m cube minus a square m minus a m plus a square equal to 0. Or I can write 1 minus m times a square minus m times a plus m cube equal to 0. Now this is quadratic in a. So I can write here capital A, the coefficient of small a, it is 1 minus m. Capital B, the coefficient of small a, it is minus m. And capital C, the constant m cube. Let's apply and solve for small a. So I can write small a, which is square root 2. I can write the formula minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Let's plug in the values. So minus b, minus of minus m plus minus square root minus m square. So m square minus 4 times a was 1 minus m, c was m cube over 2 times a was 1 minus m. So I can simplify, I can write m plus minus square root of m square minus 4m cube plus 4m power 4 over 2 times 1 minus m. Now I can write m plus minus square root of, this is 2m square minus m whole square, and denominator is 2 times 1 minus m. Now we can cancel square root with a square. So I will get a equal to square root 2 equal to m plus minus in the bracket 2m square minus m over 2 times 1 minus m. Now we will consider two values, one with plus sign, another with minus sign. So I can write a equal to square root 2 equal to, if I will consider plus sign, then I will write m plus 2m square minus m over 2 times 1 minus m, and with minus sign m minus 2m square plus m over 2 times 1 minus m. So plus m minus m will be over, 2 and 2 will be over. So we can write a equal to root 2 equal to m square over 1 minus m. And second value will be, I will take 2m common. So in the bracket 1 minus m over 2 times 1 minus m. So this 2 and 2 will be over, 1 minus m will be over. So I can write a will be equal to root 2 will be equal to m square over 1 minus m and m. So we can write two equations from here. First one, m square over 1 minus m equal to square root 2. And second is m equal to square root 2. Let's solve both the equations. So I will write m square over 1 minus m equal to square root 2. Or I can write m square equal to square root 2 times 1 minus m square equal to square root 2 minus square root 2 times m, or I can write m square plus square root 2m minus square root 2 equal to 0. So this is one quadratic in m, and m was 2 power x. So let's find m first. So I will write m equal to minus b, so minus root 2 plus minus square root of b square, so 2 minus 4ac, so plus 4 times root 2 over 2. So I can write minus root 2 plus square root of 2 plus 4 root 2 over 2, and second value will be minus root 2 minus square root 2 plus 4 root 2 over 2. Now m was 2 power x, which is always positive. So we will reject this solution as this is negative. So we are going to accept this m value. So I can write the decimal value. This will come out 2 power x equal to 1.35 over 2 approximately. Or I can write 2 power x will be equal to 0.676 approx value. Now I will consider log both sides. So we can write log 2 power x equal to log 0.676. Using log property, I will take this power as a multiplier. So x log 2 will be equal to log 0.676. Divide both sides by log 2. So log 2 and log 2 will be cancelled out. We will get x equal to log 0.676 with base 2. And if I will calculate its decimal value, then we can write x will be equal to negative 0.563. Now the turn of first solution, where m was root 2. So I will write m equal to root 2. So m was 2 power x equal to square root 2, which we can write 2 power half. So from here I can conclude x must be equal to half. So our final solution becomes x equal to half and x is equal to minus 0.563. Let's check our first solution. X equal to half. Equation is here. So I will consider LHS. So 2 power 2x. If x is half, then 2x will be equal to 1. So I can write 1 minus half plus 2 power half minus half minus 2 power half. So 2 power half plus 2 power 0, this will be 1, minus 2 power half. So we can cancel these two. We will get our LHS 1, which is equal to RHS, which is 1. Hence this value is true and verified. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Till next video, take care of yourself.